Hey there, I'm Mark Miminkuzal, President and CEO of Maine USA, and today I'm going to teach you how to remove hard water from a shower head. You need two products for this, some hard water deposit remover and the paper towel. Make sure it's on spray, not stream, so it doesn't fly off the faucet or the head or whatever you're spraying it on and bounce in your face. Make sure your windows are open, your vents going to ventilate the room. Kind of protect it as well with your paper towel. Just soft little sprays. And I'm going to put my product down there so I can hold that. Let's get that nice and shiny. That way you or your weekend visitors can enjoy the shine on that. And that's how you clean hard water deposits on a shower head. I'm Mark Miminkuzal with Maine USA.